Okay, so we go through the life story of this gentleman.
We are here to honor brilliance in the automobile sector. A man who broke new grounds and created a huge name for himself. Peer Syed Hasan Shah Gilani, popularly known as Peer Sahab, was born in 1940 in the Tirah Valley of Khyber Agency. Being a part of Peer Muridi family, he was the first one ever to join the business sector, which led him to Karachi in 1962.
माशाल्लाह इज वेरी हार्ड वर्कर, ऑनेस्ट, जो कमिटमेंट करते थे वो पूरा करते थे। और फ्रॉम कराची से लेके पेशावर अफगानिस्तान का तक हाजी साहब का नाम था, बड़े फेमस थे।
In 1968, he took a transportation loan from Habib Bank Limited, which helped him to start the lending of Ford Omni bus business on installments. He initiated the Mazda Mini Transport business in 1974 after receiving the license of route permits, which are still valid to date under the family name. While expanding his business, he pioneered in the import of Toyota Hilux vehicles in Pakistan and also created his first landmark with establishment of Sajjad Motors. A year later, he ventured into new avenues, where he started his dealings with Suzuki and Mazda. In 1989, he joined a new business dealership enterprise with Pakistan Motor Car Company, which was then the sole distributor of Toyota for Pakistan.
Haji Saab is one of the most dynamic person who was dedicated in Toyota business, especially Hilux business for the upcountry.
His long affiliation and expertise in the automobile sector helped him to make his mark. In 1990, he established Toyota Eastern Motors and became one of the founder dealerships of Indus Motor Company. After 10 years of this milestone achievement, Toyota University Motors was then established. A man who has devoted not only his own life, but has dedicated his whole family to serve the industry. A lifetime of achievements and awards still beckon him. Peer Syed Hasan Shah Gilani, a living legend of the automobile industry.
To honor this gentleman, we request HOH Group Chairman Rafiq Habib Saab. So if you can please come up on the stage, and our Chairman Mr. Ali S. Habib. So please. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and the only man, Peer Syed Hasan Shah Gilani.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Here we go, it's getting close. Now it's just who wants it most. It's just life, that's how it is. Cause we have our strengths and weaknesses. Oh, I have vision, can't you see? I'm on the move, make way for me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions. a champion. Stand up.
Thank you, Pir Saab. Thank you, Rafiq Saab. Thank you, Ali Saab. And over back to Asad.
When I fall down.
This is the point where we shift in our chairs and prepare ourselves for